back. Here I am, Fly Navarro with Fly Zone Fishing. I'm here with Dirk from National Marine Fishery Service. So we're here looking at a white marlin. What is the main characteristics of a white marlin?
Probably the biggest characteristic is what ocean are you fishing in?
Okay.
If you're in the Pacific, you're probably not catching a white marlin.
So they're only indigenous?
Only in the Atlantic Ocean.
Okay, so you're in the Atlantic Ocean and you catch one of these. What are the things you're looking for?
The main thing that identifies a white marlin is the shape of the dorsal, the shape of the pectoral fin, the shape of the opercle, the gill cover.
So what do you look
for? The shape of the anal fin.
So what do you look for in this pec fin? That it's rounded?
That it's rounded, it doesn't come to a distinct point. Same with the dorsal, it doesn't come to a distinct point, it's rounded. When it's moving around, it'll fold up and down, so it might look like a point sometimes, but in the extended position, it's rounded. Same with the anal fin, it's rounded like that.
Same with their anal fin. And the length of their pec fin, is it longer than most other?
It's longer than other billfish, yeah.
Other billfish.
Proportionally to the body size, yeah.
But the biggest thing is here is all the rounded.
The rounded edges, yeah.
Well, guys, there you have it. Dirk, in the Atlantic, on occasions we come across round scale spearfish. That can get confused with white marlins. But what are the main characteristics of a round scale spearfish?
The key characteristic that you're looking at when the fish is live at boat side is the shape of the gill cover, the opercle. It's almost straight up and down across like this, whereas the white looks like this, where there's a definite separation. The round scale almost goes straight up and down. The other characteristic is that the vent is farther forward on a round scale than it is on a white marlin. Where a white marlin would be back about here, and a round scale would be up about in this area.
Definitely farther forward.
Farther forward, obviously farther forward. But you might not see that at boat side because the fish is swimming with his belly down, whereas this you might see more obviously.
Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for joining us here in the Fly Zone.